In a lush, tropical rainforest, nestled among the towering trees, lived a humble ball python named Bailar. Bailar was a unique creature, not just for his vibrant scales that shimmered like emeralds, but for his gentle demeanor and his unyielding resilience. One day, a storm swept through the rainforest, uprooting trees, shaking the earth, and causing chaos. Bailar, like the other creatures, sought shelter. But the storm was relentless, and the wind sent a tree crashing down, trapping Bailar beneath its heavy roots. As the storm raged on, Bailar lay there, immobilized and fearing for his life. The rain poured down, drenching him, and the wind howled, shaking the earth around him. But Bailar remained calm, his heart beating steadily, his eyes wide but unblinking. In the midst of the chaos, a thought occurred to him. He considered the storm, the destruction, and the fear it had caused. He pondered the resilience he had shown, his ability to remain calm in the face of adversity. And then, he made a decision. Bailar decided that he would not let the storm define him. He would not let it break him. Instead, he would use it as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to embrace the change it brought. He closed his eyes, settled into the earth, and allowed the storm to pass. When the storm had subsided, Bailar emerged from the debris, unscathed. His scales were still vibrant, his demeanor still gentle, but there was a newfound strength within him. He had faced the storm, embraced its power, and come out the other side stronger. The other creatures of the rainforest watched in awe as Bailar moved through the forest, his tail swaying gracefully, his eyes filled with a newfound wisdom. The ball python had found a lesson in the storm, a lesson that would echo through the rainforest for years to come, that even in the face of chaos, one can find strength, resilience, and growth. And so, Bailar became a symbol of hope in the rainforest, a reminder that even in the darkest of storms, there is always a chance to grow and adapt, to find strength in the face of adversity, and to emerge stronger on the other side. The ball python's embrace became a tale told from generation to generation, a story of resilience, growth, and the power of embracing change.